Okay, wrapping up General Dumisani Khumalo's testimony, ne? So basically, he actually took us through ukwenziwa political killings task team, stating ukuthi it cannot be into ethe immobilizwe for 4 years kube ukuthi mabefuna ukuyicima bathatha just a lousy a day or so. He further then wasichazela ngemeeting eke yakhona apho phansi koba ke ngiyakhumbula mos uminister wenu Senzo Mchunu uke wathi immediately did not mean now. Uthi ke ngokuyena kwi-meeting yakhona, that's when they were trying to discuss indaba winding down into ukuthi mabayibulale kancinci kancinci. Kwakuthi he made it clear kuleyo meeting leyo into ukuthi ufuna ukuthi mayidisbandwe immediately. Kungani besafuna into bamayigcinwe nani wazama ukudiscussa nomcimbi wama-dockets alandwe njani ama-dockets yathini nje into yakhona so uphicothe nje into efana leyo. So he was breaking it down including ama-emails bewethunyelwa ke. So that's what we were going through, and there is something that he said Uteng, and it's similar to what was said by testimony today, ne? Eyakwa EMPD under Julius Mkhwanazi, but let me focus ku General Khumalo. General Khumalo uthi kune positions apha ezike zavela that were put on hold then until now as a provincial head kwa crime intelligence. Mosi department yakhe leyana. So uthi ke uke wazama ukwenza ipanel efuna ukuvala lo ma positions lawo. Guess what? General Sibiya wa oppose wafuna ukwenza eyakhe ipanel General Sibiya. I'm thinking bekefuna uqasha abantu bakhe. Phofu kwi provinces ezi 4 or 5. That is almost 50% of the country. So ebefuna ukuthi ama heads of ama intelligence provincial heads kube ngabantu noba bazabe bekhethwe nguye. So ibinkulu lento la. Ibingekho nje ncinci. So ininzi nje interference akaye wazama ukuyitsho ke. So but I testimony yakhe ya focus nje kumcimbi political killings task team. Wakhona enye into akayithethile ne esimane sizibuzo kanye ndibane nabantu abayibuzayo kuma comment section. Okay, if uSenzo Mchunu involved kulento, why would he then be the one ozafuna ucancelisha icontract ka Kurt Matlala? Usiphendulile singambuzanga ithi lento I don't think uba uyicancelishe ngokuthanda. Mos Kurt Matlala uye wathathwa for questioning for lanto ka Jerry Bushokha nge-6 ka December 2024. Immediately they knew into yoba xa ku investigator General Khumalo kuthiwa they leave no stones unturned. Baku investigator yonke into bayapetsula phezulu nasezantsi. So they probably know. So utsho General Khumalo uthi no lando bakuthiwa icancelishile uSenzo Mchunu, it's because ayonto enja they knew uba kune 360 million tender ka Kurt Matlala which was only cancelled after bona sebeyenzile search and seizure kwa Kurt Matlala. So they knew into ba uphansi kophenyo. So in a way, maybe he was trying to safeguard himself, but was so late. So it's not a matter about he cancelled it because he wanted to cancel it. Okay, we cancel it because bese ipemile. Basically, xa ndiyiva ndimamela uthetha nje into efana naleyo. So iphicotile nje yonke leyo nto ba obani basebenzana nobani nani nje iyadinisa nje yonke lanto yapha kwa SAPS, but we are hopeful into ba iMahlanga Commission will not fail us as South Africans. So yeah, and then ikhona ke into echile into bayino ba uzaphinda buye ke yena umntungwa in case uyadingakala. But ndinayo into ethi xa kuvela into andithi bayaphenya. Xa kukhona enye into sizambona seke sethi gqi futhi. Seke zosibukelisa into esingafuna ukuzibona. Ngoba yena xa ke siza akezeli nje uzodlala. So that's just about it. Siyabonga. And namhlanje ke the other thing bebe appear court for the case yabo ke namhlanje 6 November 2025 yena nabantu akabotshwe nabo for leya case yabo apho kuthiwa babotshelwa for uqasho umuntu namhlanje bebe appear court. So that's just about it. Ngani go General Khumalo.
Some I will be able to name them. Some I'll be able to name them because they've come up in the evidence that has been led to the Commission. Lieutenant General Sibiya, Major General Shibiri, Regarding Kwashu, Captain Mahotle, by that time were the names identified.